Hello everyone. Today I will explain you how I made traffic light from Arduino. In the circuit I have used three LEDs, red, yellow and green. And I have also connected three resistors of 220 ohm on the LEDs. Now I will explain you the code. In the code first I have given the 3-pin numbers of the 3 LEDs. Then I have given the delay time, that means for how many seconds the red, yellow and green LED glow. The red LED will glow for 5 seconds, the yellow LED will glow for 2 seconds and the green LED will glow again for 5 seconds. Then I have mentioned the pin mode. Red, yellow and green all will be output as they all are LEDs. The Arduino IDE language is case sensitive. So output will be in uppercase. Then I have given the red lights function. So the red light will be on, the yellow LED will be off and the green LED also will be off. Then I have given the yellow light function. The red LED will be off, the yellow LED will be on and the green LED also will be off. Then I have given the green light function. The red LED will be off, the yellow LED will be off and the green LED will be on. Then I have given the void loop. Void loop means this function will run again and again. So I have put the red light function, then it will give the delay of 5 seconds, then the yellow light function, then the delay of 2 seconds, then the green light function and then the delay of 5 seconds. Now I will show you the working. So the red LED will work for 5 seconds, will glow for 5 seconds. The yellow LED will glow for 2 seconds and the green will glow for 5 seconds. Thank you.